Good morning students. Today is 5th of August, Thursday. Today we will do little different that in English we will proceed. Here lesson number 6, it's only a matter of practice. What is the name of lesson? Lesson number 6, it's only a matter of practice. This is the lesson, very interesting lesson. It is a story. So please pay attention carefully when I will read. Afterwards I am going to teach it and explain it. Long ago, in far away China, there lived an archer called Shen Yaozi. He was a very skilled archer and could inform or perform wonderful feats of archery. He could hit the target precisely at the center even when it was placed at a very long distance. He liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. See what this passage is saying. Long ago means any story started, say, in that you will get the words like long ago, once upon a time, there lived somebody, king, queen and all that. So this is also a story. So it has started by long ago in a far away China. Means in China country, you know very well. There lived an archer. Archer means, you know what is archer, children? Archer means someone who shoots arrow from a bow. Archer means धनुष्यबाण घेतलेला, धनुष्यबाण चालवणारा माणूस, धनुष्यबाणाची माहिती असलेला माणूस, धनुष्यबाण घेऊन त्यातून बाण मारणारा माणूस. ओके, अंडरस्टूड व्हॉट इज आर्चर? ओके. Shen Yaozi, what was the name of that person? Shen Yaozi. He was a very skilled archer. He was very skilled, means he knows everything in that archery and could perform wonderful feats of archery. And he could perform, means any dot anybody will show, he is definitely used to mark it. So he was the very brave and very definite archer in that country. He could hit the target precisely at the center even when it was placed at a very long distance. People are keeping that target very long from him and asking him to hit the target, and they are showing where there only this archer locate his mark. So he was very much famous in that area. But he liked to show off his skill. This was the bad habit in him. What show off? Show off means he want to show off means त्याला आपली आर्चरी सगळ्यांना दाखवायला आवडायची, सगळ्यांनी त्याची आर्चरी बघायला यायला हवं असं त्याला नेहमी वाटायचं. टू द ॲडमायरिंग क्राउड्स means which crowd that gathered around him, he want to show off his skill. Means he was playing so many games, so many tricks in archery and wanted to make the that gathered crowd very much enjoy and fun. They will get fun if this Shen Yaozi shows his archery. Okay, next. One day he was practicing his skill in front of many admirers when he noticed an old man standing at the back. The man was carrying cords of oil and were hanging from a long cane in his shoulder. All the other people were clapping their hands and praising Shen Yaozi, but this old man was quiet. He neither clapped nor uttered words of praise. He just stood there nodding his head and said, "It's just a matter of practice." What he said? It's just a matter of practice. Now, what happened in this passage? See, one day this Shen Yaozi was showing off his practice skill in front of many admiring people, means who came for watching his game. So, but he has noticed that one person, old man, standing at the back of the crowd, but he was very quiet. He was not uttering a single word. He was not clapping. He was not hooray saying. He was not enjoying the game. So Shen Yaozi disturbed from this. he has a gourds of oil in his hand and hanging from a long cane on his shoulders, and he was stood like that only, and he has not making any type of sign to this buck up this Shen Yaozi or making him more enchanting, means his for his game he is not showing any of the good sign. Okay, now Shen Yaozi was annoyed. Now Shen Yaozi was annoyed, means he was very much angered. Are you an archer yourself? He asked that old man that are you an archer? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bow and arrows? So you are not paying any attention to my games, and you are not clapping me, and you are not making any type of signs with my game. So what is your problem? Are you an archer yourself? Do you think anyone can do what I can do? These were the questions that Shen Yaozi asked that old man. No sir, the old man replied, I am not an archer and I don't doubt your skill. All I said was everything is a matter of practice. So old man said what? What replied? No sir, I am not a archer, and I am not also, I don't know your skill even. I am not doubting at your skill even, because you are the great at your place. But everything what are you doing, what is you are showing to others is everything is a matter of practice only. That is my point. I am not saying anything else. I am not doubting you. I have not doubt in your skills and nothing. So next what happened? Say Shen Yaozi became very angry. What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you? Shen Yaozi became angry now. Why angry? Because old man said in front of all the people that this is not so difficult. This is not difficult that this Shen Yaozi is doing. It is just a matter of practice only. So he asked him, who are you? You are saying such comments on me. Then who are you? Tell me at least. Please don't get angry. What said that old man? Please don't get angry. Sir, I am an oil seller, as you must have guessed from the gourds. Every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. Over the years I have achieved some skill in filling the gourds. If you allow, I shall show you it for you and for others even. So what did the old man said? That I am a oil seller and I have a gourds with me, means the vessels of oils, and I have practiced so much about that oil, filling the oil, and I have also one of the skill in my own business. Shall I show you? Who asked? This old man asked, shall I show you? Okay. Then who said? Shen Yaozi. Growled Shen Yaozi. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. Okay. Now see, Shen Yaozi now decided to see what the old man was saying and what he will show. What may be his skill. He was eager to see now. Now see what the old man showed his skill as. We will go to next page number 13 please. Yes. Patiently the old man set down an empty gourd on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. In those days, small coins had a little hole at the center. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in his ladle and began to pour oil into the gourd from a height. The oil went straight into the gourd through the hole in the coin. When the old man had finished filling up the gourd, he lifted up the coin. Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. See children, what was the skill here? See, what has he done? See, here see, one picture is shown. See, here is a picture shown. See, where is that picture? Here is a picture. See, it is a coin, olden coin. See, there is a hole in between. In between middle of at the center there is a hole. That type coin who kept on the gourd? That old man. And he started filling that god from a distance, from a great height, with the ladle. Means he has took some oil in his ladle. Ladle means a small like spoon like but bigger spoon to pour the oil. He has taken in that ladle oil and he started filling that oil from a great height into the god. Where into the god? Where that coin has been kept on the mouth of the god. So when he lifted that coin, what happened? No trace of oil, means no oil has touched even to the surface of that coin. Means from only that small hole the oil went into the god. Not it has touched any way to the coin. Coin was very smooth only, means only dry it is. The people watching it were speechless with wonder. People were watching, they were there only. Firstly, they have watched the skill of that old man and they were speechless. Speechless means ते काय बोलूच शकले नाही. त्यांचे तोंड उघडी पडली आश्चर्याने. त्यांना खूप 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 आश्चर्य वाटलं. बापरे, केवढं स्किल आहे म्हणाले. एवढं कसं करू शकतो माणूस. Then but the old man only smiled. As I said, there is nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice, you see. Then old man said what? He just smiled little and said, see this, how I have done with the help of my practice only. I have practiced, so that I said that I comment on you that you also practice more and more and you are showing your games, you are showing your exercises. So it is nothing else, just a matter of practice. Shen Yaoji lost all his anger and annoyance. Shen Yaoji now lost all his anger. Shen Yaoji was happy now. He has seen practically that old man showed his skill. So he has thought that the old man's skill is more than my skill. So he was now without anger, without annoyance. He just gave a short laugh and said, you have taught me something important today. Who said? You have taught me something important today. After that, Shen Yaoji never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. From that day, he was understood that showing off everything is not good thing. We have to practice more and more our skills and we have to show as a fun, just as a game, but not as I am the great, I am the great. That way one should not say. This lesson was taught by an old man to Shen Yaoji. Okay, understood the lesson? Very easy lesson and very nice lesson. Okay, what you have to do now? You have to write the new words. Here also words are given. See, archer. And that words you have to what do? What you have to do that words? You have to write them in your notebook. Okay, and this exercise, whatever down given, I am going to send you. Exercise I am going to send you. That also you have to write in your notebook. With answers I am going to send you. Just your work is what? You have to read the lesson very carefully and write down other words also. Those you come across as a new words. Okay? Okay? Nice. Now see this Shen Yaoji with his arrow and bow. And this is person, an old man. And how he is dropping filling the bottle. See, here is a god given. See, where is the god given? See, here is a god, means bottle, and he is filling that god from a distance.